LED gaming cable from Five Below for half price. So this was at the clearance section, and it's a 5-foot cable for USB-C, which is what my new phone that I'm trying to juggle here has. So, but what's cool about this one apparently is that it lights up. So let's try it and see what happens. So I'm going to plug it in my laptop here. And how cool is that? That is so cool. So, like, is it plugged in? Yeah, it's plugged in. All right, well, I hope you guys have a great day today, and smash like for me. I appreciate you. Take care.